Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to optimize your desk setup for your Samsung Odyssey G6. Keep a distance of about 45 to 50 cm, which is roughly 20 inches, between your eyes and the screen. Make sure your eyes are slightly above the center so you look a bit downward at the screen. Adjust the monitor angle to reduce light reflections and glare. Keep your forearms level with elbows bent at about a 90-degree angle. Adjust the monitor height so your posture stays natural and comfortable. Keep your knees bent at 90 degrees or more with your heels flat on the floor. Remember to blink often or do simple eye exercises to avoid eye strain. That's it for this guide.